Dr. Semir Musa, an Egyptian nuclear physicist, born in 1917, had a remarkable life, marked by a pioneering contribution to both science and society. Her mother, at an early age, died from cancer. Her father, Musa Ali, was a famous political activist. A trailblazer for women in STEM, Dr. Musa earned her doctorate in atomic radiation in 1948, becoming the first Egyptian woman to obtain a PhD in atomic science. Committed to the peaceful application of nuclear energy, she envisions making medical treatments accessible and affordable for all. Dr. Musa's groundbreaking research focused on using nuclear technology for medicinal purposes, particularly in cancer treatment. Tragically, her life was cut short in 1952, and when she died under mysterious circumstances at the age of 35. But despite her untimely end, Dr. Musa's legacy endures as a symbol of scientific excellence and pioneer in advocating for the beneficial use of nuclear energy for the betterment of humanity.